That's being long. Oh, 30 days to IMM 2019. 30 days? Yeah, that's loads of time to get Bernie the 1275 GT finished. Let me just update my social media. 30 days to go till IMM 2019. Best pull my finger out and get Bernie done. Brilliant.
Kev, are you mad? You're never going to get Bernie the 1275 GT done in time for IMM.
Kev, you're never going to get Bernie the 1275 GT done for IMM.
Kev, you're never getting Bernie the 1275 GT done in time for IMM.
Kev, there's just not enough time. Not enough time to get Bernie the 1275 GT to IMM. You're not going to make it.
Kev, you're never going to get Bernie the 1275 GT done for the IMM.
Kev, you got 2 chances of getting Bernie done for IMM. Slim and none, I'm afraid.
Kev, mate, you've got no chance of making it to IMM in Bernie the 1275. Sorry, mate.
Kev, you've got no chance of getting Bernie the 1274 GT done for the IMM. Absolutely no chance, mate.
Tell Kev he's not going to get his 1275 GT ready for IMM.
Kev, you are never going to get your 1275 Mini ready for IMM. Neither's me, Tom.
Oh, savage.
I'll show you guys. No, that's not going to happen, is it? Well, there you go. That wasn't a very interesting update, was it? Yeah, I genuinely have not touched Bernie since episode 18, which was however long ago it was. So the reason being is rallying, effectively. Yes, this channel is all about grassroots motorsport, and Bernie is effectively, he's not going to be a motorsport mini. He never was. It's all about touring and going on holiday and events and things like that. So yeah, motorsporting kind of takes priority. And yeah, that's kind of why Bernie has taken a long time since the beginning of the project, because other cars would come into effect like the Grass Track Mini and the Alfa Romeo and the Suzuki and the 4x4. So Bernie stops, those projects get done, and then we carry on. However, the latest thing is I've been spannering for my mates rallying, and I went, I just genuinely need to have a go at this. So Bernie stopped. I turned the Rallycross Mini, or I am turning the Rallycross Mini into a Rally Mini, and this has taken an awful long time. And still, I'm hoping by Christmas that will be done. So when the Rally Mini is done, and you know it's log booked and all this sort of stuff, then I can fire Bernie the 1275 GT up again. So no, I'm not going to make it in Bernie to IMM 19. However, I will be going. I'll be taking the Mark 1. And when I'm there, I will be buying my ticket for IMM 2020, because that's in Germany. That has to be done. Again, will it be done in Bernie? Don't know. It depends how much I crash the Rally Mini, doesn't it? But that's my plan. I know since the beginning of this YouTube channel, I've been saying, right, got to have a goal, and the goal is to get Bernie ready for. And obviously I just don't meet those targets. So I'm going to make another goal, which I probably won't achieve, but you got to have a goal. I will now try and get Bernie, the 1275 GT, ready for 2020 in Germany. See you there. So is that good news or bad news? I don't know. But there is some good news. And the good news is a group of us on YouTube have decided to organise ourselves, put some money in a pot, and to have a giveaway. And the giveaway is with P&L Minis. We went to them and we said, look, we've raised this much money between the lot of us. We'd like to give this away as a gift card, effectively, to one of our viewers. And they said, yeah, that sounds like a brilliant idea. So they chucked some money in the pot, and what we've got is effectively a $600 US giveaway. And how much is that in English pounds? I can't remember. You'll have to look on the exchange rate. But it equals about 1,000 Isle of Wight groats. So no matter where in the world you are from, it's $600 US. So look on a currency converter, see what the current rate is, and then you'll know how much roughly that is worth. But it's $600 US, and you will be able to use that voucher effectively with P&L Minis. Now, I have to be honest, I've never been to the P&L website before. Since this little thing, I checked them out. By Jove, what a good little website that is. I'll be, it's a shame I can't win this prize, but I will definitely be placing an order with them soon with some of my builds. So please, have a look at the link below. That will send you to a website, and then you will be able to enter this free giveaway. Sorry Bernie won't be at IMM 2019, but I will, and all my mates will. So we'll see you there. Do you know what? The best way to clean your hands, if you've been in the garage all day, you know, and you've been working on the car, and you've got filthy, dirty hands, do you know the best way to clean them? Make some bread. And then after 10 minutes of kneading, you'll have the cleanest hands ever.